And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is my just another video of what I like to do. Yeah, this thing's making noise. Every time I bump into it, it makes a noise, a little chain. But anyway, I picked up something on the side of the road last week and figured I'd show it to you all because it's just the dumb shit that I pick up on the side of the road. So yeah, I'm just looking at it, but I probably should look at the goddamn camera. But yeah, I'll tilt the camera down. We could look at my junk pile here that I got. So if you look down here, let me turn the magic light on. Close your eyes. There we go. This came from a piece of furniture. And every time I scavenge furniture for wood, I always take the hardware off because you just never know, like, what kind of, like, this is a, what do you call it? Hinge? Yeah. They got two hinges. These are the little locking things there to lock it. I got plenty of those. This is the little insert thing there. I forget what it is. This little piece here goes in and kind of connects together real tight. I don't know what it's called. It's used for woodwork. This are the two hinges for the woodwork, and I got a bunch of screw hardware and stuff. And there's the little, I don't know what this is. I don't even think that's, you know what? I think that's for my planishing hammer, that piece. But yeah, here's these little things are good for drawers and stuff. If I can get this thing to work, it's probably frozen. But yeah, there we go. The little brass pins that when you lock the two boards together, got some of those. And basically got a bunch of screws. And most people like, yeah, why do you take all this off there? Because screws ain't cheap. And if I can use all this crap from something I demolished, why the hell not, right? I mean, why would I always gotta pay for new stuff when there's tons of free stuff floating out there? Tons of free stuff. I think I got four little, they look like bullets. But these are what, inch and a, what size are these? These are 1.5 inch screws. I got some, it looks like 1.25 inch screws. Some little peanut 1/2 inch ones. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Got some, what are these? Size of these screws. 5/8 screws. These even 1/2 inch ones. That pin. But yeah, if you don't have to, like, if you can scavenge a few things. I also got 2 other large chunks of piece of wood out of it, and some other things like this, which are handy. Even though this looks kind of weird, I'm making a table, so a pre-made little piece of hardwood like this saves me a lot of time from trying to figure out the angles, and I can bolt it on. And I got some miscellaneous bolts. So folks, don't be afraid to scavenge stuff. I mean, might make a little, see, little spring-loaded hinges. I might make me a little box. I know I've been wanting to make little glass boxes, shelving in here, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, that was my little non-tech tip for today. Don't be afraid to scavenge. I'll sort all these out and I'll put them in my screw box later. So, thanks for watching and enjoy.